If you stock the wrong size of catfish seed in 2026, you will lose money even before feeding starts. Many farmers blame feed, water, and disease, but the real problem is the type of fish they stock. So in this video, I will show you the best type of catfish seedling to stock in 2026 depending on your pond type, your budget, and your market target. This is BigChills Farm. If you want to farm smarter and make good profit, then make sure to subscribe and let's go straight in. So first, let's talk about why seedling size matters more in 2026. In 2026, catfish farming is more expensive, feed cost is higher, and fingerlings are now costly, and buyers also want table-sized catfish faster. Why? Because bigger seed equals less mortality, bigger seed equals shorter culture period, bigger seed equals less disease stress. Why small seed equals to high risk, slow growth, and more feed cost. So the question is not what is cheap. The real question is what size will give you profit faster. Now, let's talk about the common size of seed in Nigeria. Number 1, fry, from 1 gram to 2 gram, and they are very tiny in size, and they have a very high mortality rate, and they need nursery experience. So in 2026, fry is not recommended for beginners. Number 2, fingerlings, from 5 gram to 10 gram, and they are very common in the market. They are cheap and they have a medium survival rate. This size looks affordable, and many farmers lose up to 30 to 40% of them if management is poor. Number 3, post fingerlings and juvenile, and they range from 15 to 30 gram. They are strong, they pick pellets very well, and they have a very low stress. This size is where smart farmers are moving into in 2026. Number 4, advanced juvenile. They range from 40 to 80 gram. They are very strong. They grow fast to table size. They are expensive but safest. So, which of them is the best catfish seed size to stock in 2026? The best overall catfish size is 15 to 30 gram, which is post fingerlings. This is the best and the most balanced catfish size to stock in 2026. So let's talk. Why are they the best? They have 90% survival rate. They start picking floating pellets immediately. They are less in cannibalism, and they get to market size within 4 to 5 months, and they have lower medication costs. You are paying more at the beginning, but you save money on feed, drugs, and time. So when it's to stock 40 to 80 gram juvenile, I recommend concrete pond, tarpaulin tanks, and when you have a limited water space, farmers targeting quick sales for pepper soup size. If your budget allow these, is almost plug and play farming. When is 5 to 10 gram fingerlings can still work only if you have good water, proper feeding knowledge, and low stocking density. Fingerlings are not bad, but they are riskier in 2026. So let's talk about the best size by pond type. For tarpaulin and white tanks, 20 to 50 gram is the best. Concrete pond, 15 to 40 gram is okay, while earthen pond from 10 to 30 gram is okay. So let me warn you about the big mistakes farmers make. These mistakes are killing profit in 2026. 1. Buying tiny fish because it's cheap. Number 2. Mixing different size of fish in one pond. Number 3. Stocking without grading your fish according to their size. Number 4. Not confirming the weight of the fish. Number 5, which is the last, transporting fish wrongly. Please note this: cheap fish can be the most expensive mistake. So in summary, for 2026 catfish farming, the best size of fish to store is 15 to 30 gram, while the fastest option is 40 to 80 gram, while the risk option is fry and small fingerlings. So this year, if you want faster growth, lower loss, better profit, then make sure to stock smarter and not cheaper. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment Catfish 2026 so that I know you watched till the end. This is BigChills Farm. See you in the next video.